Hello everyone, welcome to Tai Chi class. Today's class focuses on white crane spreads wings. So let's get started. Take a deep breath in and out. Now do that for me again. In and out. And the arms rise out to the sides. And float back down. Breathing in. Now, bend at the elbows, gather in, and press down for Seeking the Chi. Breathing in. And this time, take one foot, step it out, shoulder width. And now the arms come out in front of us and drift back down. And riding gentle waves. Or opening the door. In. And run the arms out in front of you if you're giving a nice big hug. This hand comes to the top of the chest. This hand follows underneath and embrace the moon. Give that moon a toss, switch your hands, and catch it again. Nice deep breath in and out. And give that nice big hug again. And sink the chi. So now before we get into what crane spreads wings, let's do this little sequence. Pull in, tap the toe, push out, pull in, push out. And open to the other side. In, push out. Nice deep breath in, and pull in, open, back to the other side. Tap that toe, step out with a push. Pull in, push out, bring it back in, palms together, push out, and pierce the clouds. Bring the arms out to the sides, it's almost like you're swimming. In, and out. And bring it in with a pull. Push, pull in, open to the other side. Pull in, palms together, and pierce the clouds. And a regular push, a regular pull, open, back to the other side. And now just one, pierce the clouds. And now palms facing, but not touching, and bring them up, over in front, and back around. And ride the clouds. Breathing in, and out. And pull, push, pull in, open, to the other side. One, pierce the clouds. And now, ride the clouds. Deep breath in and out. And bring it in with a pull and a push. Pull in, open, to the other side. I'm going to add one more thing here. So one, pierce the clouds. One, riding the clouds. Pull it in, cross the wrists up high, drop down low, princess on an up to toes. Breathing in and out. One more time. Pull it in, push out. Open to the other side. Pull it in, one, pierce the clouds. One, ride the clouds. Pull it in, cross the wrist down low, up and over, princess and the valley. Breathing in and out. And pull in, push out. Pull in, open to the other side. Push. One, pierce the clouds. One, ride the clouds. One puts us on the mountain top. Open. And one, pierce the clouds. Ride the clouds. And put in one princess in the valley. And put in, open to the center, sink the cheek. around your arms out like you're giving a nice big hug. Catch that moon. Place that moon up on a shelf over this direction. Tap this toe out, and this head comes down by the hips. White crane spreads wings. And now, as I'm on a shelf, spread your wings. Get a little taller, straighten up, bend at the hips, and lean forward, needle at the C button. Scoop under, switch sides, straighten up, bend over at the hips, not at the lower back. Feel it in your glutes and your hamstrings, not your lower back. And this time, come back up. Bring this hand up and this knee comes with it. Rooster stands on one leg. And put that rooster back down. Scoop. This knee on the shelf over this direction. Straighten up. Needle at the C bottom. And now the rooster is over here. Put that rooster back down. Scoop. Switch sides. Look for that needle at the C bottom. And the rooster comes back. Rooster back down. Now pick it back up. And this leg will straighten up this way. And come on top of this other knee. This ankle on top of this knee. Or pigeon pose. And back up. Kick. Scoop. To the other side. Look for that needle at the C bottom. Here comes that rooster. Put that rooster back down. Pick it back up. The leg comes parallel. Ankle on top of the knee. And pigeon pose. And back up, give a little kick, step center, and sink the chi. At the bottom, cross the wrists, up overhead, and close the door. In and out. Arms back down by the sides. One foot steps in, two palms together, and a little back. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next workout. And remember, if you want more and longer workouts, you can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/CoachJoe. And I'll see you next time.